Buona giornata, la mia bella gente! Hi guys! And welcome back to my channel! And syempre, ang tagal natin hindi nakapag-vlog. Pero today, itong nasa likod ko na painting, ayan. So, ito, i-vlog ko siya kasi I just want to share with you yung perspective ko dito sa painting na to. I just saw this and got it from our home 5 years ago nung nag-pandemic. Syempre, parang there was a time na nag-our home ako sa Mega Mall. Tapos, wala lang kasi 'di ba nung pandemic, parang lahat ng wala tayong mapagkagastusan. Noong time na 'yon, nasa kabilang bahay pa ako noon. Bare yung walls, ganyan. So, parang nakita ko to, isa to dun sa binili ko na pang decor. So, nung nakita ko to, ito mura lang to. I forgot na how much. This won't cost a lot. Oo, hindi siya mahal katulad ng mga ibang paintings. Pero, I find it really nice kasi na-attract ako dun sa Eiffel Tower. Ito yung naging inspiration ko. Pag nakakakita ako ng mga Eiffel Tower, na-inspire ako. So, itong painting na to, as you can see, ayan o, nakatalikod siya. Tapos, palayo. Tapos, sa sobrang dami na nangyari sa akin, parang feeling ko, nung time na nabili ko to, and nung nilagay ko siya, parang feeling ko, nung nag-start na sinabit ko na siya dun sa may living room, dun sa dating condo, parang napaisip ako na, bakit ganun? Parang feeling ko, after ko ilagay ito, parang feeling ko lahat nawawala. Parang feeling ko, everyone's walking away, hindi na masyadong madami yung tao sa bahay namin. Hindi na kami nagpa-party masyado. Before kasi talagang it's a party places. Parang ang daming nangyari na a lot of people left. Or parang ang dami ko nang hindi masyado nakikita, na disconnect, ganon. Parang hindi ko maintindihan. Parang I felt na simula nito, naging sad. Parang feeling ko because they're all going away, palayo, palabas. Dahil tsaka tinalikuran ako, parang ganon. Parang sabi ko, parang gusto ko nang i-let go to. Kasi nung napunta naman kami dito sa condo na to, nagka-fire, maglilipat na naman. Hindi din siya ganon ka happy place. I mean, parang okay naman, pero nandun yung parang you feel sad, you feel alone, may emptiness, parang ganon. So, sabi ko, nung nagpapak kami, sabi ko, parang gusto ko nang i-let go to kasi inisip ko, paglipat namin, saan ko ba siya ilalagay? Parang feeling ko, everyone's still leaving, tas ngayon pati ako aalis, ganyan. So, naisip ko, i-sell ko na lang kaya. Or ipamigay ko, or, you know, whatever na pwede. So, anyway, kahapon, I was looking at it, kasi nga, sabi ko, ipopost ko na para baka I can sell it. Pero kasi, I like how monochromatic the painting is. Tapos, parang nagmamatch to yung frame niya. Parang nagmamatch siya dun sa dining, ganyan. Tapos dun sa black and white. And yung mga neutral colors ko na color for a house, brown, yung earth colors, ganun. Tapos, nung tinititigan ko na siya, sabi ko, I think, I have to give a different meaning to it. Baka naman, yung perspective ko sa kanya is, naging negative lang because of the things that happened in my life. So, sabi ko, I think I have to look at it in a positive way. Tignan ko kaya ano yung pwede. So now, ayan siya. Eiffel Tower, yung trees, the people walking. Ayan, no? So, ngayon, nagkaroon ako ng different perspective about this painting because when I looked at it closely and thought about it positively, parang yung yung solid foundation ng buildings, ayan, nagkakaroon ng balance. And parang it tells me na may protection, may support, solid foundation. Tapos yung Eiffel Tower, it's like fame, recognition, beauty, parang ganon. Kasi a lot of people want to go to Paris, and yung Eiffel Tower is their famous na tourist spot. Parang yung fame, yung recognition, ganyan. Tapos, itong people who are walking forward or going to the Eiffel Tower without looking back, parang these are people symbolizing progress, career path, growth. Parang they're not looking back because they want to move forward, not looking in their past. So, yun yung naging parang perspective ko now sa painting na to. I feel na ayoko na siyang ibenta because nakita ko na siya positively. And feeling ko, it has something to do with what happened in my life. Naks, ganun. Parang now, may purpose, may direction. Kasi, eto, they're all moving forward. And there's a direction. And may purpose kung bakit umalis yung mga ibang tao. Maybe they're all moving forward. Ako na pag-iwanan. And I have to do the same thing para may growth.
Oh, yes.
And being alone means, yun, i-reset ko yung life. And matuto ako to stand alone and to start all over again is not a bad thing. So there, now that I'll be transferring again to a new place, parang mag-iiba na yung perspective ko. And hindi ko na siya ibenta. And I guess, medyo naisip ko na kung saan ko talaga siya ilalagay this time. So there guys, as you can see, ayan, naka-box na yung mga ibang stuff namin. We started packing. And then, of course, we have to move forward. Kasi talaga namang we have to leave this place because inanay na, nagmo-molds na yung ceiling. I don't know kung saan nanggagaling yon. And sabi nga nung painting, it symbolizes moving forward. It symbolizes career growth. So hopefully, samahan niyo pa rin ako sa journey na to. Mas nakikita ko na kung saan yung direction ng buhay ko. Siyempre, madaming opportunities that will come, I'm sure. And I pray na hindi tayo papabayaan ni Lord. Everything will be okay despite the fire, despite all the things that happened recently, mga sa past, since last June. And I must say that we are still blessed because a lot of things naman talaga binigay ni Lord na masaya din. Itong July, I was able to spend time with family. Nakapag out of the country pa, despite na nasunugan ka na, wala ka ng bahay and everything. Sa lahat ng bash, ang daming bashings, ang daming mga revelations, discoveries. Pero kahit na madaming mga hindi magandang nangyayari sa buhay natin, mas marami pa rin yung magaganda. And so much blessings are coming. So much tapings. Thank you, Lord. Ang daming projects. Ang dami talagang projects. Ang daming mga clients, new clients to look forward to. Ang dami nating bagong tatahiin sa tahian natin. Kaya kailangan makapag-operate na tayo at makapag-set up na tayo ulit. So, ang dami-dami talagang blessings. Kaya, thank you Lord. Thank you Lord talaga sa lahat-lahat. So, guys, there is my quick vlog. And I hope that you will always support me. Thank you so much for always being there and watching my videos. And samahan niyo pa rin ako sa journey ko because this is real life and we do real talk. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share my videos. Thank you! Adios! Ciao, Bellas and Bellas!